In just 5 years, AI went from struggling to write coherent paragraphs to passing the bar exam. How did we get here so fast? Today we're breaking down the evolution of GPT models, generation by generation, to understand the exponential leap that changed everything. February 2019. OpenAI announces GPT-2 but refuses to release the full model. Their reasoning? It's too dangerous. The 1.5 billion parameter model could generate convincing fake news, spam, and misinformation at scale. Critics called it a publicity stunt, but the controversy sparked a crucial conversation about AI safety that still rages today. What made GPT-2 special wasn't just its size, but its training approach. Using unsupervised learning on millions of web pages, it learned patterns in language without being explicitly programmed for specific tasks. It could write stories, translate languages, and answer questions, all from the same base model. This was transformer architecture hitting its stride. Fast forward to June 2020. GPT-3 drops, and the AI world loses its mind. 175 billion parameters, over 100 times larger than its predecessor. But size wasn't everything. GPT-3 demonstrated few-shot learning, meaning it could perform new tasks with just a handful of examples. No fine-tuning required. This was a paradigm shift. Developers started building apps on the GPT-3 API almost immediately. Copy.ai for marketing content. GitHub Copilot for code. Jasper for creative writing. The model could role-play characters, debug code, write poetry, and explain complex topics. It wasn't perfect. It hallucinated facts and struggled with logic. But the creative applications seemed endless. Then came November 30th, 2022. ChatGPT launched to the public and broke the internet. Built on GPT 3.5, a refined version trained with reinforcement learning from human feedback, it crossed a crucial threshold: accessibility. Anyone with a browser could now have natural conversations with AI. 1 million users in 5 days. Fastest growing consumer app in history. What made ChatGPT different? The RLHF training process taught it to be helpful, harmless, and honest. It could admit mistakes, refuse inappropriate requests, and engage in multi-turn dialogue while maintaining context. This wasn't just a better model. It was a better user experience. AI finally felt like talking to someone, not something. The impact was immediate and massive. Students used it for homework, developers for debugging, writers for brainstorming. Businesses scrambled to integrate it. Schools banned it. The media ran think pieces about the end of traditional work. Whether hyped or feared, AI was now part of the mainstream conversation in a way it had never been before. March 2023. GPT-4 arrives and raises the bar again. This time, the leap isn't just scale, it's capability. Multimodal inputs. It can process images and text together. Advanced reasoning. It scores in the 90th percentile on the bar exam and aces AP tests. Longer context windows. It can handle documents that would have crashed earlier models. The demos were jaw-dropping. Draw a website mock-up on a napkin, feed it to GPT-4, and it generates working code. Explain a complex meme that requires cultural context and visual understanding. solve multi-step math problems with detailed explanations. The model wasn't just bigger, it was fundamentally more capable at reasoning and understanding. But GPT-4 also exposed a crucial challenge: reliability. Yes, it hallucinated less than GPT 3.5, but it still made confident mistakes. It could ace standardized tests but struggle with simple logic puzzles. The gap between impressive performance and true understanding remained. This is the alignment problem researchers are still racing to solve. Looking back, the progression is staggering. From GPT-2's controversy in 2019 to GPT-4's multimodal reasoning in 2023, each iteration didn't just improve incrementally, it unlocked entirely new categories of capability. The question isn't whether AI will keep improving. It's how fast, and whether we can build the guardrails quickly enough to keep pace. What comes next is anyone's guess. GPT-5? Multimodal models that see, hear, and speak fluently? AI agents that can take actions in the real world? One thing's certain: the 5-year sprint we just witnessed is only the beginning. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI evolution. Thanks for watching.